Car maintenance can feel overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. Let's tackle some common questions. First, how often should you change your oil? Generally, every 5,000 to 7,500 miles is a good rule of thumb, but always check your owner's manual. Next, tire pressure. Keeping it at the recommended PSI not only improves fuel efficiency but also extends tire life. And don't forget about your air filter. A clean filter can boost your engine's performance and fuel economy. Lastly, brake pads. If you hear squeaking or grinding, it's time to replace them. Regular checks can save you from costly repairs down the line. Remember, a little maintenance goes a long way in keeping your car running smoothly.